Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever felt a little nervous catching a train in a huge, busy station? Today Hannah is taking the train. She's traveling on Amtrak, America's long-distance railroad, leaving from New York Penn Station. The big, bright Moynihan Train Hall with its glass roof, its giant departure board, and trains heading all the way to Boston. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one simple, friendly phrase to get help with anything she needs. Could you help me? You can use this exact phrase at Penn Station, on any Amtrak train, or really anywhere in America. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's catch a train with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 gentle missions. 1. Buy an Amtrak ticket to Boston, and kindly fix a small mix-up on it too. Find the right track in the huge station using the departure board 3. Get on board, find her seat, and ask the conductor about her stop when you're traveling. 1 soft phrase. Could you help me? Can carry you through the whole trip without any stress. By the end of this video, you'll be able to politely ask for help, correct a small mistake, ask where things are, and ask permission, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's head into Penn Station. Here are today's 5 Amtrak key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Could you help me buy a ticket to Boston? Could you help me buy a ticket to Boston? This is today's magic phrase. Could you help me? Is a warm, polite way to ask for a hand. It sounds friendly and respectful, and it makes the other person happy to say of course. You can put almost anything after it. Key phrase 2. I think there might be a mistake with my ticket. I think there might be a mistake with my ticket. A soft, gentle way to point out a small error without sounding upset. Key phrase 3. Which track does the train to Boston leave from? Which track does the train to Boston leave from? An easy way to ask where your train is in a big station. Key phrase 4. Is it okay if I store my bag up here? Is it okay if I store my bag up here? A respectful way to ask permission on the train. Key phrase 5. Would you mind letting me know when we reach Boston? Would you mind letting me know when we reach Boston? A very polite way to ask someone to tell you something later. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them on Amtrak. Hannah walks into the bright Moynihan Train Hall at Penn Station and steps up to the Amtrak ticket counter. Behind it is Marcus, a busy but genuinely kind Amtrak agent in his 30s, printing tickets and answering questions quickly, yet always with a warm smile.
Hi. Could you help me buy a ticket to Boston?
You got it. 1 to Boston. There's an Amtrak train leaving at 3 o'clock. Want a window seat?
Yes, please, a window seat.
Here you go. That's your ticket.
Thank you. I think there might be a mistake with my ticket. This one says Providence, but I asked for Boston.
Oh, good catch. You're right. That's the wrong stop. Sorry about that. Let me reprint it. There. Boston, 3 o'clock, window seat.
Perfect. Thank you for fixing it so fast.
No problem at all. Better to catch it now than in Providence. Have a great trip on Amtrak.
Thank you so much.
Beautifully done, Hannah. First she used our magic phrase, could you help me buy a ticket to Boston? Warm, clear, and polite. Could you help me? Makes any request sound friendly. Then, when the ticket was wrong, she didn't get upset. She said, I think there might be a mistake with my ticket. That soft I think there might be, points out an error gently, so no one feels blamed. Busy Marcus was happy to fix it right away. A polite ask plus a gentle correction equals a calm, easy start. Ticket in hand, Hannah looks up at the huge departure board in Penn Station. So many trains, so many gates. Nearby stands Kevin. A quiet, steady Amtrak station attendant in his 40s, a man of few words who knows the station like the back of his hand.
So many trains. Excuse me. Which track does the train to Boston leave from?
3 o'clock to Boston. Track 9.
Track 9. And how do I get down there?
Escalator. On the right. Down one level.
Down the escalator on the right. Got it. Do I have time?
20 minutes. Plenty.
Oh, good. Thank you. You made that easy.
That's the job. Track 9. Don't miss it.
I won't. Thank you.
Look how simple that was. Hannah used which track does the train to Boston leave from? The perfect question in a big station. In America, trains leave from a track, and the departure board shows the number. Ask for the track, and you'll always find your train. Kevin didn't use many words. And that's okay. You don't need a long conversation. One clear question, one short answer, and Hannah knew exactly where to go. A clear question about the track equals you'll never get lost. Hannah steps onto the Amtrak train and finds her seat by the window. Walking down the aisle checking tickets is Ray. A cheerful, veteran Amtrak conductor in his late 50s who's ridden this route 1,000 times and loves a good joke.
Excuse me. Is it okay if I store my bag up here?
Course you can. That shelf's been waiting for it all day. Tickets, please.
Here you go. Boston, window seat.
Boston it is. Good choice. Best window on the whole train, if you ask me.
It really is a nice view. Would you mind letting me know when we reach Boston?
Happy to. I'll swing by before your stop. You won't miss it, trust me. I've only lost about 3 passengers this year. Kidding.
That's reassuring.
Sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. Amtrak's the smoothest way to Boston. I'll come find you.
Thank you so much.
Anytime. Welcome aboard.
Wonderful. Hannah bought her ticket, fixed a small mix-up, found her track, and settled onto the Amtrak train. All with calm, polite English. On board she used "Is it okay if I store my bag up here?" to ask permission, and "Would you mind letting me know when we reach Boston?" A super polite way to ask the conductor for a little help later. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one, "Could you help me?" A soft question plus a kind helper equals a smooth, happy trip, at Penn Station or anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah steps up to the Amtrak counter and needs a ticket to Boston. Which way of asking sounds the most polite and natural? A. Could you help me buy a ticket to Boston? B. I want a ticket to Boston. C. Boston ticket, please, quickly. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 gentle phrases that will help you feel calm and confident traveling anywhere in America. Could you help me buy a ticket to Boston? I think there might be a mistake with my ticket. Which track does the train to Boston leave from? Is it okay if I store my bag up here? Would you mind letting me know when we reach Boston? With these 5 phrases, even a huge, busy station stops feeling scary and starts feeling easy. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, join us at GameStop, where Hannah trades in an old game and shops for a new one, learning all the English you need for buying, selling, and trade-ins, all in fresh, easy English. See you next time. Bye-bye.